Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news. Tinubu's camp releases statement over viral wet dress, blames political enemies. A pro-Bola Tinubu coalition, the support group's management council, has released a statement over the circulating video of the All Progressive Congress APC national leader's wet dress. The group, in their statement, tried to convince Nigerians that the viral video and photographs of Tinubu in a wet dress is the work of mischief makers. The coalition said the viral video was manipulated, insisting that the APC national leader is healthy and ready to challenge and win the 2023 presidential election.